Hi, this is Mr. Victorinox, and I'm going to do a recording on my Victorinox deluxe tanker. It's cool. It says deluxe tanker, red. It's kind of cattywampus. To open it up, just like push on either side. Just push on this side. On this side, just push it, and this, and this, the knife. Usually whenever you open this up, whenever you first buy it, it's like this, whenever you first buy it. But I just take out the bottom piece and just put it underneath. What's in? Oh, I suppose I can show you that paper. It shows you all the stuff that is possible to be on a sesame knife. This is just all kinds of stuff. It says danger zone whenever you open up the knife. No, it doesn't say danger zone like a little robot like danger zone. But it's just right here, whenever you open up the knife, it says danger zone. And right here is like how to care for your knife. And right here is how to use the can opener. This is just like warranty and stuff. This one page right here says the legacy, like how it began and all that stuff. This one just says Victorinox multi-tools. Right here it says all products and how they expired them to make them. Okay, and it all folds up into a little piece like that. Yes. Boop. Boop. Now let's get to the knife. Got the Victorinox symbol. Like that. Like that. Right here at the can opener. Right here at the bottom opener. And a slotted. Yeah. Right here, it's the pliers. got a big spring right here. The bulkiest tool on here. It's got its pliers, wire cutters. You can see that now. That little opening. Then it's got a wire clamp right here. That part, I'm pretty sure you can see it. Got some scissors. Pretty sharp. Well, really sharp actually. Official Swiss. Not Swiss cheese, sesame knives. Because I don't know if anybody gets screwed up with Swiss cheese and sesame knives, but it would just be odd. Big knife. Another knife, small knife. It's got the deluxe. It's got a little fish hook. And now here's the awl and sewing iron. That's the sewing iron. This is the awl. Toothpick. Pliers. Not pliers. Tweezers. So that's it. After I'm done talking about this one, I'm gonna do a review on the mechanic. Ow.